Hi.
Did you find it?
No, I didn't. Sophia freaked out because I put her iPod in the elevator.
Oh my gosh.
So hi, it's Mynametonio. And I got a water.
And nobody pushed the button.
There's a mirror. So, and then I ran up the stairs, and Sophia, no one pushed the button, so Sophia thought we lost her iPod. But we didn't. There's still snow. I can see it. But, yeah. So I just wanted to say hi again. There's a heater. And then
Almost could have lost my iPod.
she got scared again. But, yeah.
I'll never.
There's a room. Just gonna look.